Everyone and good afternoon. Hi to all. Today I will demonstrate you how to use whiteboard in MS Team or Office 2000 MS Office. Okay, this one Office 365, right? How you will use whiteboard. Simple, you will enter here office.com and you will write your email address and password. You want to go from here, you can. If you want to write here and click on it, whiteboard will be open. You will click on create a new whiteboard. When you click here, now facility provided by the Office 365. Okay, now this screen will become, this is the area you can write there. These are different color pencil. If you want to write, you will click on it, and I want to write my name here. If you want to write here other thing, you can just like that. Okay, this is other color. You want to write 2 underline 4. Okay, these are the pencil. Using, you can use for it for teaching purpose when you are going to take online classes. With this one, arrow thickness, you click here, you want to highlight something, you can, right? You can highlight. This one using for eraser, for you want to erase something, you can, right? This T is using for text. You want to write here text, some text, right? I want to write here Pakistan is our country. Okay, using for change the color, you click here, different color is there. I change the color. This one using for comments, add note. If you want to add note, this one you can. I click this one. Want to write here. I want to write here. You click on it, or click on pencil, right? Okay. Right. You can drag, reduce the size. Using for you want to share with others. This one for setting purpose. You will import the image also. You click on import. Now image will be there. You can share with the student. When you click here, now image will be there. You can share with the student, and this will go for the home. Okay, it will become at home. It is already saved there. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself, and subscribe my channel and go through this video like this.